Welcome everyone. Today we are going to solve this problem that we are asked to write a program to add digits of a number in C++. So how are we going to solve this problem, right? The first thing is if, for example, we are given a number 127 by the user on screen. Let's say this is the number, this is the input number. Our task is to add the individual digits of this number like 1 plus 2 plus 7 and produce the result as 10. So output of the program is going to be this. And this is going to be the input to the program. So how are we going to do it? A very basic mathematics is involved. We have to divide this number 127, right, by 10, right, and get the remainder. The remainder of the division will give us the individual digits every time we divide this number. So if we divide this by 10, 10 ones are 10, of course, and 10 twos are 20, right? So I'm going to say 10 twos are 20, right? And the remainder is 7, cannot be further divided. So we get the first digit by dividing the input number by 10. Now we have to take this quotient, right? The upper value of the division. This is called the quotient. We have to take the quotient and divide it by 10 again, right? And get the remainder. So 10 ones are 10, and we get the remainder 2. So we get the second digit. Now we have to take this quotient again and divide it by 10, right? So I'm going to say 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. Of course, 10 value is greater. So we said 10 zeros are 0, right? And we get as 1. So the remainder of this 1 divided by 10 is 1, and the quotient is 0. And now we have taken all those individual digits of the given number. So we will use two sort of division in our program. The first, the modulus operator is used in C++ to return the remainder of the division, right? And the simple division return the quotient. So you have the quotient and the remainder, and we can solve this problem. So let's dive into C++ code and solve this problem. So first, we have to declare three variables. The first is going to be for user input. We are going to call it number. The second is going to be digit, in which we will store the individual digits. And the last one is going to be a sum variable, whose initial value is going to be 0, right? So we will have a while loop, and we'll say if the number which the user provided is not equal to 0, in that case, we are going to simply say divide this number using the modulus operator by 10, remember, to get the remainder. Modulus operator in C++ returns the remainder of the division, and we are going to store that in the digit variable we declared above. Then we are going to add this digit to the value of the sum. Initially, the sum is 0, so the first digit will be added to 0, and we will put the result back in sum, remember. This side of the assignment operator will be evaluated first, and the computed or calculated value will be stored back in the sum variable. And then to get the quotient, what we can do, we can say, okay, the updated value of the number is going to be divide this number using the simple division, the slash, by 10, right? So we will keep looping unless we get the number as 0. And if I take you back, if we get the quotient as 1, when 1 is divided by 10, the quotient will be 0 and the loop will stop, right? So let's get back. And once the loop is ended or finished, we are going to simply display the message, the sum of digits is, and we're going to put a space and a colon, and then the variable sum is holding that sum. So let's compile this code. And we made one mistake. We have to take input from the user because the number contains a garbage value at this point. So we are going to simply say cout, enter an integer. That's the message for the user. The user will provide some value, and we are going to store that in number. Save changes, recompile the code, and execute the program. So the program is asking for a number. Let's type 127 that we solved manually and hit enter on the keyboard. And if you add the individual digits, 1 plus 2 plus 7, it will give you the result as 10. Let's run the program again and provide a different number. Let's say 525. The result should be 5 plus 2 plus 5, 12. And it gives you the result. So this is a simple mathematical problem, and we have solved it in C++ program. It was put in quite a few interviews, and recently it was put in the practical examination of computer science second year. So thanks for watching. See you next time.